You brought her up earlier too, Spice, because that's why you're even here right now in the city.
Remember, love her right now to death.
How did you go from playing and you're linking to now becoming the official DJ selector of the program? How did that come around with you and Spice?
Naturality, energy, spirit. Is a. You know, so the spirits is real.
100%.
So me and Spice spirit a mesh for years. Like, not say we head winner but heads, but me and Spice relationship is a relationship where you're not gonna ever understand it. Me just know how to deal with that. Remember say me in a Spice life I look something. Most of the people them where them and Spice fall out, I look something. Me and Spice a friend, me know how to be Spice friend. Me separate the artist from the person. You understand? So that's the real thing with me. Me and Spice go a river, me and Spice go dinner, me and Spice too. You understand? Me and Spice apart, like, you understand?
She's almost like your sister. You could see you guys
Yeah,
have
man.
almost
Oh,
like
yes,
this
man.
brother-sister
Love Spice to
relationship.
death.
Yeah, man.
To death.
But remember, she was in the war was really Richie Feelings, Scatter, Pampute, and Spice.
Yeah,
that
man.
was the four-way war, man.
I'll talk your mind at the pan. So, I don't know, say, me hang on. I something with Bill. So, the relationship with me and Pampute is different from the relationship with me and Spice. But it's a natural thing. Because remember, me know them and me get to know the person outside of the artist. Because remember, the artist put on a show. After the show done, the artist are the person.
Yeah.
So that's the thing with me and Spice thing. So it does naturally, so I never know where. When it come on to Spice, I don't know money thing. You understand? I just the love where me have for her and the love where she have for me. You see me back her, front her, side her. Nobody to Spice.
Guys, see now, I remember watching a video where it was now, okay, you know Spice? She's Spice when she has on the blue hair, Grace when she has on the black hair.
Right.
But you guys were in the car back and forth, and she said, no, I'm Grace right now, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah,
right?
man.
You guys are back and forth, boss.
And then think that naturally, you can't fake nothing like that. You
Dirty
cannot.
Richie.
Yeah, man. So me and her thing work.
Yeah, nah, man. But you could see the love, as I said, with you, Scatta, Pampute, and Spice. You could see that there's something amongst you guys where nobody could come between that, right?
Mad. People try. Remember, say people try, you know, because again, anytime people say a good thing, 'cause remember, you see unity, people love unity. But there's always going to be somebody where try to come between unity. The him say, she say something. So you have to give people time and show them. Because you can't try prove to people, say, you don't stay a certain way, you know.
They have to figure it out on
Them have
their
to figure
own.
out that. You understand? And remember, when an artist is on top, them have a whole heap of friends and a whole heap of people in them ears. But after the show and the lights them turn on in a year, when the show light lock off and all light lock off and I'm here motel again, promoter belly full and all the fans gone home. Here Junior gang tell her that. Yeah, man.
So it's one of those things. Because with her now, is it you guys sat down and practice and say, okay, this is how we're going to deliver this set? Or it was just, again, naturally how...
Alright, again, as I say, most artists where I play for other, most DJs where I play for artists, them and the artists don't have a chemistry. So, you have a part to play. It's not just pressing, drop this or whatever. Because sometimes, you have to read the crowd too. So if you see foolish, you go on, like for instance, somebody like it for play down on another part. Say, yo, don't give them something like it tonight. Start off with this. You not sing the song. Yeah. Because they don't know artists get familiarized with it. Every now and then you have to put in one or two songs a night.
Yeah.
Because again, this is you're not just dead if you just dead a sick. You see me? Like, you're just dead if you're a paycheck. We did it to enhance the artist because again, it all have to do with chemistry. She can't say drop romantic mood. And when they check it out, me a drop underneath clean. That not gonna make no sense. No. I mash up the artist after she make that big talk there.
Even though you're the one playing, it's still gonna reflect bad on her.
One night, me do that. A country. I ride me, bother me because again, me never dep on my game. Because me can't afford to make that happen. Mistake or mishaps are gonna happen, you know. But how much time I gonna make it happen? So it bother me because again, me know me do something wrong. So we have to make that. I remember say Spice carry up on the big stage and we go right at them splash. Yo, Spice them carry go all about some place where we never go by ourselves. You understand? So grateful for Gracie, man.
Amazing. What I like with when you're the selector for or the DJ for Spice, but you're still you, and you still have your name as Richie Feelings. Where okay, we're gonna do it over here, but I'm still gonna get my dates over here as
man.
Richie Feelings.
Because again, remember the artists don't get shows every week like that. You have busy period and you have slow time. So if them call Richie Feelings for your wedding, we just make sure say me and her like or you stay for that month there. So me make she a priority. Even though me a Richie Feelings, but she's still a priority to me. You understand? She can get DJs, you know. Because remember she had DJs before. But I just the union with me and her create.
Yeah.
It's easier for me to talk to her and say, oh, me know for the 6 months, them, oh, that's a stay or that's a stay. So me book round that.
'Cause it's a lot of people think it's just entertaining. You get up and do it. There's a lot of planning and logistics and stuff that happens
Spice take her
behind
thing
the scenes.
serious.
What?
Behind the scenes, Spice not like she not. You will see her a smile now, but she take her craft serious because of she. Any choreography where you see in a video, Spice do that. Every idea where you see a she do that, she take everything serious. You understand? Micromanage everything because you're not going to just come give her something and mash her up because as she have to go deliver it. So you're not going to bring foolishness come give her. She will take your word, but remember, she have to go in her thing and listen to her thing. She know it's a woman and know what she want.
She has to sign off. Bottom line, and this is what
man.
it is. I know even was it last month or month before? You guys went to Red Bull.
Yeah, man, Red Bull Culture Clash, great experience.
Mash up that.
Yeah,
how
man,
was that?
again.
And how did you guys even plan for that?
Again, Spice again at the head of the element of everything we're in.
Yeah.
You know, we are linked the artist them. She have linked to the artist them, but she busy doing other things. So when she link them and them say, yeah, mama, no sir, we still link the artist them again. So the frustration come in, you know, when she says, so me get a list, now I get a list. She have a list. And then when we start asking her, I say, want to hear list? So it I go, want to hear list? So you know, say you if you leave them song here, nobody allow nothing. Rare. One bag of cussing and up to the day of the event.
Yeah.
You see me? But trust me, professionalism, she that. Me give her that 100.
No, man, you could see you guys went in there, that Team Spice went in there and work, boss.
Because we were here studio straight. And first day, because remember we are linked with the man them from overseas, where the first we get to even meet them. So again, everything that for us work. Because now I have him idea them. And now I want to bring this across and it's like, in a music we have to cuss. We have to cuss. Ego go in it, but the ego have to come aside for everybody. Because again, if you notice, I was like a hype man on that clash. And I like me couldn't talk, but all of we couldn't talk. Because everybody have a mic, you know. Everybody have a mic, but now I lead out on Spice because again, Spice at the head. I remember say, Spice would just tell her the song, the man. She go do the right thing.
When I seen you guys drop the two, well, there was a couple of bright moments, but two that sticks out in my mind. When you guys dropped the Shetsia dub.
That was a surprise.
Listen to me. When that dropped, madness.
Yeah, man.
You see when you guys brought out Mama Nancy, boss?
All right. Mama Nancy was the first artist to book Mama Nancy because, again, it's an international thing. A lot of people didn't understand. It's an international thing. And Nancy had a big song wherein the young and the old can recognize it. So we know what the impact, what that was going to... It was even bigger than I thought. Because that was my first time meeting her.
Okay.
Yeah, man, was my first time meeting her. Like, cause we know about Skillibeng and Skeng, you know. But as I said, the UK side of it, I didn't know about these drill artists. That was a major surprise for me. Trust me, it was a major surprise because again, these songs when I go to England, I don't play them. I got a dance hall, me carry England go play. Me carry Massacre them and Skeng them and then me carry go to play. So it's like when me hear them, me like, trust me, like, we know how music stay. And I don't know what's going on over here with Canadian artists, but trust me, England, these drill artists, them are going over there and you can see.
They're shelling it.
Them are going with it.
Yeah, man. I can't front right now. I've had Instagram now for probably since 2012. All right?
That's when I had Instagram too.
Okay. My biggest clip right now is when you guys brought up Mama Nancy. That's about to hit 1 million views right now. You hear me?
Yeah, man.
After
Trust me, man,
12, 13 years of having this, that clip in particular is my biggest clip on Instagram right now.
There was a lot of people talking all kind of things. Oh, spice them this and spice them that and one bag of something. And where I go with Richie Feelings, them man. Where I go with Noah, them man. But again, Spice is a believer. So it's like, not because you say you know about this or this, this is an international thing wherein we are dealing with diversity. And a lot of guys, I don't know, about your mother business and, you understand? Because if you realize, even the video, which you call up Cartel, remember say she have more video, you know?
There was more.
Yeah, man, more people, man. Nicki Minaj video we get, man, and them
Get
something.
out of here, bro.
You may tell us, so we're supposed to get a Nicki Minaj dub and like we couldn't even, like we have so, it's best to be over prepared. Because as simple as you say 10 minutes, 10 minutes long, you know.
Try flapping in 10 minutes and see how long you're
How long that takes. All right.
Try that. Boss, crazy. Another moment that, for me, this seemed like a real full circle moment. When you guys were in Bahamas for the Cartel show, where it's you, Scatter, Spice, Cartel, and who else? It was 5, and Nuffy. Just to see all 5 of you guys. There was more people in the room too, but to see all 5 of you guys there like that, that was amazing, boss.
Yeah, man. Because again, remember, it's a moment, you know. And a lifestyle moment, as a Popcorn say. It was a moment. Because again, it's like a new wave started creating now. Because we're a royalty, you know. And this is the social media era. We know it when time, we're not a social media artist, I go a studio, I go link up and this and that, but it's like, now you have to just book a man on the road. He might film just in room and you go in there, go yell him up and take 2 pictures. Because even if you go to Bama, you watch enough of the thing them panel. Even Dexter up, you know, see me run enough Dexter up joke too.
Yes. All Taurus Riley them.
Yeah, man, I'm a virgin them, man. These people are my virgins.
That there. Was that the first time you seen Cartel from he came up? Was that show?
Yeah, well, that was Bahamas was the first time I seen Cartel. Like, me and Spice was supposed to link him in December, and then because I went to England, I had a show in England, and Spice cussed me. You gonna left me? You gonna left me? I make me a fair jive by myself.
Yeah. Okay, so you weren't at Freedom Street then?
No, they're England, man.
Yeah. Your next place there. So, what was it like seeing Cartel now after like 13 years, boss?
It's a joy for see Cartel for know say him the walk a road and him can, you know, they with him youth them. That moment there, like each time I see him with him youth them, is a joy for me because again he's a man we love him youth them. And me is a parent first, me is a father first, most of all before anything else, before entertainment. So like seeing him and him youth them and him I call him out on the stage, him and them in a music video and like because again him go in before them could have even get to go away. So like him and them got to place them now. It's a joy. Like even when I see my father and him son the other day, I feel good. You understand? Only a real parent would understand still.
Yeah. Click here to watch the full episode and don't forget to subscribe.